Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to verify your Temu account for smoother checkouts. If your orders keep failing or payments get flagged, verifying your account can make the checkout process faster and more secure. Open the Temu app on your iPhone and then tap you at the bottom, and then tap settings and then select account and security. Next, what you're gonna do is tap verify account or identity verification. If you see that option, choose whether to verify your email or phone number. Timu will send you a verification code in the app. If required, you might need to confirm basic details like your name, address. Once verified, Temu will show a confirm message and future checkouts will be smoother. Privacy tip: only enter verification codes and personal details inside the official Temu app or website. Don't click on verification links from random texts or emails. Quick fix: if the code does not arrive, check your spam folder or email. Wait 60 seconds and then tap resend code. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can also help code come through faster. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes like this.